Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another exciting, beautiful new knife from Twosun. This is the model number TS187. This will be a slip joint and it comes like all Twosun knives so far, packaged in a plastic bag, doused in protective oil to be safe with no corrosion while it's traveling from the warehouse to you. So I have cleaned out the knife and I would like to share with you in this video. So I'm really excited. When I firstly saw this design, I was absolutely must buy for me, because I really like the overall shape and design of these traditional modern slip joints. So firstly, the design is made by Mazwan Mokhtar. If you did not see my video on the TS137, so this is also his design, and for some reason they did not put the logo. Maybe they have not the place or did not want to crowd the blade, so this is his logo there. So shape wise they look similar, but this one is a slip joint like I mentioned before. Okay, so let's talk quickly about the specifications like I always try to do. So we have an overall length of 18.2 centimeters or 7.17 inches. The blade length is 7.4 centimeters or 2.91 inch. The hand length is 10.7 centimeters or 4.21 inches. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters or 0.15 inch. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 0.98 inches on the widest part here. And it is made out of premium steel S90V, like I can see here. So you have no Twosun logos applied, which is a really nice big thumbs up. So this one looks like a custom. For all intensive purposes, also feels like a custom because it really has a really nice half stop, and there is a break. So keep in mind that this is a slip joint, so no one-handed shenanigans, just to be on the safe side. You don't want to that spring to come down and chop off your finger. Maybe it is not strong enough to do that, but it will seriously damage your finger and you don't want that. Okay, the finish on the blade is your standard Twosun satin finish with applied, I don't know if this is some kind of bead blasting or titanium nitride coating inside, just probably to make it a little bit more corrosive resistant. And just imagine if this was drilled through, it would look really nice. But what also make it a little bit more so delicate, because potentially there could be a weak point and it could break off. So this is the right way to do it. We have a titanium, so TC4 titanium alloy body with a steel spring and marble carbon fiber insert scales. You can see it, so it's milled out here. The transition is really nice and smooth. Some companies have a problem to make the transition really smooth. We have a standard 3D milled pivot screw. There inside is your blade stop, so it will hit the bottom part here, not to touch the edge. Okay, so the weight of the knife is 93 grams or 3.28 ounces. Like I mentioned, this is a slip joint construction and there is no pocket clip, as you can see here. What I would like to have is to have an option, either to have or don't have it, because it's a really nice knife. So I usually show you the pocket profile, but because this one has no pocket clip, you probably could carry it, but a large portion will stick out depending on how large is your coin pocket or watch pocket. So this probably could be potentially a risk losing it, so just have it inside your pocket, or maybe use a pouch. You can buy a pouch for a few dollars right now, so there is no problem there. Okay, so let me show you a few size comparisons. So firstly, this is the 137, also from the same company and the same designer. And here is a small reptilian, so a little bit larger than a small reptilian. This is Bug Vantage Select, also a smaller size. If you would like to see the comparison with the full size Vantage Pro, here is the Pro. Also very popular Delica 4, so this is a little bit larger than Delica. And also the Endura. And what I like to show you is the Twosun 111, one of my favorite knives from Twosun. Buck Sprint Pro. This is the case tribal lock. Benchmade proper. Kershaw Skyline. And Kershaw Shuffle 2. So overall, I must say this is a really nice EDC option if you like modern traditional knives, and also if you would like to carry a little bit on a higher end regarding the steel, of course, then this is maybe something you can look for. Price wise, you are looking at around $110, depending on your preferred reseller. Currently you can go on AliExpress. I will try to link the reseller down below where you can buy directly, and of course you can go on eBay and check for current auctions right there. So in my opinion, really nice knife, beautiful designed blade shape, and also ergonomic lines. This has no jimping whatsoever, and the spring has a decent tension. So yes, highly recommend it. So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release and produce more videos as my time allows me. So usually I will post 3 videos per week, mostly knives and gear oriented, but sometimes also hobby stuff. So thanks for watching, wish you a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.